Hey guys, good afternoon from sunny Mazatlan. I'm right here in front of Billiards. Black Diamond. Having a good afternoon, my buddies. I took a few photos. I'm gonna go through them, see what I have for you, post them. But look at this. Look what came in the mail today. 6 weeks after I ordered it. Mailed the middle of September. It came the 1st of November. One of my t-shirts. Hey, you can order one like it online through my YouTube channel. Order now for Christmas. Sunny Mazatlan.